Aloha, welcome. This is my presentation for my assignment 3, my shoe store. Just before I start, I just want to say, whoever's watching, TA or professor, thank you. Uh, it's been a good semester. I mean, it's been a challenging semester to say the least. I think this class especially really pushed me towards my boundaries or that line where I'm starting to have to really learn and read what's going on. And just want to say I appreciate you guys being nice and being so kind to me while I'm trying to learn and struggling. But anyways, yeah, let's begin. Just gonna do a walkthrough, showing you what my website's about. So uh, I am on the ITM server. So this isn't from my local machine. This is actually kind of a bigger deal. So this is how it'll look. This is how you're introduced to my site. Find the freshest kicks here by selecting a brand below. So yeah, so pretty much um, you have the option just to start off where you want to look at. So let's look at some Jordans. So here I have a variety of shoes, and so from here, basically, this just allows me to basically add things to my cart. Pretty simple. So I could add like two of these bad boys, and let's say there isn't enough available. No, what will happen is I'll actually get an error saying that we don't have 11 in stock. So the product display page and the server does a good job of not allowing you to enter pretty much non-valid quantities. So if there's like a negative, it's not a number, or kind of like the last assignment. Um, so let's just add more shoes, and in order for a user to get to other types of products, it's actually pretty simple. If we just go to our brands, I have a drop-down menu. Pretty much, yeah, you could choose any brand you want. If I want Nike shoes, I want these white ones, I'll take a couple of these. It's added to the cart, and I should have noted that I actually do have a counter here, a live counter of the number of items in the cart. So unlike other sites that I've seen where there's this really obnoxious alert saying that a thing has been added to the cart, I just, I mean, do you need that? Like I looked at Amazon, they don't do that kind of stuff, I think. So yeah, it just, you add it to the cart. Um, I want to add at least one shoe from each brand. So just adding things to the cart. And I am pressing enter, but you can also just press the add to cart button. Both are the same function practically. So yeah, just want to add some of these bad boys. Okay, so let's take a look at our cart. So from here, there is a lot of features on this site where the first one is, it tells you how many items you have in your cart, but also not only will it display the invoice, like the receipt, but you can actually edit and update the cart from here as well. So um, you wouldn't have to like go back to the products and like, try add things or change it from there. No, you don't need to do that. You can just do it right from here. So let's say, I actually don't want 10 of these. I'll just take out 6. Just have a total of 20 shoes I want to buy. Actually, I'm minus 4. I got up minus 2 more. What am I thinking? So yeah, I've got 20 items now, and I've got these variety of shoes. So yeah, let's just see what happens if I try to check out. So we do get an error saying that, hey, you must be logged in first before checking out. So let's do that. Let's log in. And I am going to do my personal account. And by the way, this is linked to my school email. Oh, I forgot the E. Will you look at that? The safeguards, it's kind of working. Okay. And so yeah, my cart is still here. And another cool thing is that when you are logged in, it will actually display your username right here. And if by clicking this, I would essentially be logging out, and also I would be destroying my cart as well. This feature just does that. Uh, but yeah, so let's go to the cart and let's check out. So it's just doing some analyzing, and boom. So yeah, everything looks right. This looks pretty much the exact same as the invoice page. The numbers will be pretty much the same. And it'll actually have the following. Thank you for your order, Shaw Morris. Your invoice has been mailed to my school email. So if I actually look, oh, there you go. Thank you for your order. Happy holidays. And it's going to be the exact same invoice, but now it's actually emailed to me, which is really cool. Um, Thank you for your order from Sean's Shoe Store. Yeah, so this is pretty much it. I mean, if I go back to the home, I will just redirect it to the home, but I'll still be logged in. But this time, um, I'm still logged in. So I haven't pressed logged out, obviously. But another cool feature is that it'll also change the quantities too. So I previously had 17 or add 20 in here, but I could make this turn to 0 in a couple seconds. So by purchasing 17 more, if we go back, look at the Yeezy shoes, and there is 0. So if I try adding more to the cart, I will get an error saying we don't have that much in stock. So yeah, that was a run through of my website pretty much. I think I did a pretty good job, Uh, it was really fun. It was really challenging. Um, let's see what happens when I log out. If I log out, if I go to Yeezy, the quantities are still the same. So yeah. And just real quick, I want to just try register an account just to see what happens. So I register. My username will be just my full name. I also do have some safeguards, not on the register page, but in the server, preventing a lot of characters, a lot of weird symbols in these kind of inputs. Um, so yeah, there's a bunch of safety nets kind of. So yeah, I'm just gonna register with my username Sean Morris, password. Okay. Hey, Sean Morris, take it. Oh, I already have an account. How about we do just 7Ps? All right. And I also want to check. So I'm clearly logged in, and it's 0. Okay. I just want to buy. I'll just buy 7 of these ones. These are pretty cool. I do know another weird thing is that there isn't no like shoe size on it, but I mean to be fair, I could have done any other product anyways. But so yeah, I'm ready to check out. I am logged in. I just registered an account. Let's see what happens. Thank you for your order, Sean Morris. Your invoice has been mailed to this email. And if I look again, yeah, voila. I've got the 7, and also this was just the other one just to buy all the 17. So yeah, I'm definitely getting it mailed to me, or at least the invoices are. But yeah, that's pretty much it for my website. I mean, for what it's worth, it does look pretty basic, but I think it definitely gets the job done, and I try to make it as elegant as simple as I could. But yeah, that's just a run through of it. I hope you enjoyed watching, and yeah, I just appreciate all the work you've done this semester as well. Um, yeah, have a great break. Have a fantastic, holidays, New Year's. Um, yeah, maybe I'll see you in the future soon. Aloha.